Hi, my name is Anna, and I'm here to introduce you to kaSTEM. It's an educational toolkit designed for children from 6 till 8 and their parents. And we are focusing on inclusivity and diversity in STEM education. So, kaSTEM is a comprehensive toolkit with physics, chemistry, and engineering activities. And don't forget about arts also. It's tailored to be accessible and enjoyable for all children, including those with special needs. Here you can see instructions using pictograms. Resources are specifically designed for parents to understand and use. Here you can see a QR code that you can scan and see a video. Guidebooks and video tutorials provided to help parents assist their children. So, what are the benefits of this kind of toolkit like kaSTEM? It makes sure every child feels supported and included. It makes the learning process easier for parents and teachers and children involved. Our educational goals aims to close the STEM engagement gap by making science accessible and fun, inspire a lifelong passion for learning and discovery in both children and parents, prepare the next generation for a future driven by science and technology.